Hi there, my name is Xuchen Yao. I'm a product manager at Seasalt.ai. Today I'm going to introduce you the SMS tools to send SMS information to the caller, to the SeaChat AI agent. In the previous tutorials, I have shown you how to use SMS to send a notification to the chat supervisor. So as demonstrated over here, when user feels depressed, we actually send an alert message, right? So that's directly done via the SMS alert tool, right? Now we can actually retrofit and then have a new SMS tool. So suppose a caller calls your phone number, right? So we'll just say, okay, suppose a caller called your SeaChat AI agent deployed on the telephone line, right over here, right over here, and then they're asking for some directions of some other information, right? So we're gonna say this is how we can do it, right? So we'll just say the tool name is like send info via SMS, right? Suppose you are a shop, and then people just ask for the directions to a company, right? So we'll say this would be send SMS to the caller to the user about my company address, or about a parking information, right? Parking info. So here. And then SMS when user requests, right? And then here for SMS settings, we're just gonna say here's our parking info, right? This is our this is gonna be, let's say we're like a Pier 26 in Seattle, right? And now the recipient would actually be the user phone, right? So at the user, I'm gonna call. So we're gonna say user phone. That's the recipient over here, right? So all this does is that we're gonna use the SMS phone numbers you get. Be careful that you have to have the toll-free verification by Twilio. If you do not receive SMS from this from a phone number that you acquired from Seasalt.ai, please contact us and we'll get you verified, so that you can send SMS, since that's very heavily regulated in the US. So what this one does is that if a user calls you over telephone to this SeaChat AI agent and ask for some parking information, we're going to use exactly the same phone number to send it over to the user's phone, right? So let's save it, and this one is enabled, and we'll just give it a try, right? So if I go to channels, I go to calls, and I know that okay, my phone number is this, right? So what I'm going to do is that I'll use my Google Voice phone number, and then I'll start calling this AI agent, right? Remember, this AI agent also has a phone call capabilities, right? Let's see, yeah, this is all configured into English, and I'll just go to conversations, and I'll start calling. The pickup line is hello. How can I help?
Hello, how can I help you today?
Okay, let's make this one a little bit louder. Hey, I'm looking for your parking information of your company. Could you please send it over to my phone?
I've sent the parking information to your phone. If you need anything else, just let me know.
Okay, thank you very much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, thank you. Okay, I'll just hang up over here, right? So, okay, there we go. As I just called, right? So the GPT tool actually sends this parking information, right? So here's our parking info, Pier 26 in Seattle, and then the response is here's the parking information of a company, about parking available at my location, etc., and set up by the user message. I actually talked too much before. Talking into the conversation, the phone call, but at least our GPT tool actually captures this, right? So this is all very, very good, right? And I have demonstrated that the same GPT tool can be used on the phone number and also over conversations, and it is able to make phone calls and also receive text SMS over here, right? So at this point, you might say, okay, what if a user asks for, suppose I'm a restaurant. What if a user asks for some additional information such as menus, etc.? Should I just create some rules over here multiple 5, 10 different tools over there, right? You can actually do it, but we can only support up to 5 GPT tools. Otherwise there's some risk condition over here. Another way of generalizing this is this. Let me show you. Let me show you the trick, right? So we're gonna make this one, as generic as possible, and then we're gonna pull out all the information from the agent information piece, right? So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna say, send an SMS to the user about upon request, right? Upon request, right? Send an SMS, send a response via SMS to the user. If the requested to be sent to their phone, right? To their phone, and the SMS content, I can just literally write nothing over here, but I can also say like, here's the info you requested, right over here, and then user calls this number, and then they will receive the SMS from the user phone, right? So after I have saved it, remember that we're gonna pull out the information from this SeaChat.ai agent, right? So there are 2 ways you can do it. First, you can actually put all your information in the knowledge base, and build also knowledge base, right? So the other part is I'm gonna be a little bit lazy over here, so I'm gonna write in information in the description page, right? So previously we said, okay, our parking info is Pier 26 in Seattle, right? And then our menu, suppose we are a restaurant, our menu is at let's just say Seasalt.restaurant / menu, right? And then you could also pick up some other things like, right, what do people ask, right? Our opening hours are this is a restaurant, right? It's like 10 a.m. to 10 p.m., something like this, right? So if I have all the description over here, and then we made this one super generic, that no matter what the users ask, we could send the corresponding information over there, right? So let's give it a try again. Now I want to find the okay, where's our phone number? We'll go to channels, go to calls, and then get a phone number over here, and I'll call this number one more time, right? Now I'm gonna ask it for more information, right?
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hi, I'm calling to ask about your parking information.
Sure, let me check on that. We have parking available at Pier 26 in Seattle. If you need more details or directions,
Okay,
feel free
that
to
sounds
ask.
good. Can you maybe send it over to my phone?
Got it, I can help with that. I've sent the parking information to your phone. Let me know if you need anything else.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah, I got it. Yeah. Maybe you can also text me your menu, like send it over to my phone as well, the same phone number.
I've sent the menu link to your phone. Let me know if there's anything else you need.
Oh, I got it. Yeah, this is perfect. Thank you. Thank you very much. And I'll be rude to hang up.
Your
Okay, yeah, hang up. Right. So okay, here we go. Right. So this demonstrates how this one scaled. Right. So basically, we have a custom GPT tool, and the tool will be able to answer any questions and send everything over the phone, right? So let me go to over here and send info via SMS, and we have made it generic enough. Yeah, no matter what user has asked, and then as long as they requested it to be sent to their phone, we can actually send an SMS over here, right? So that's number one. Two, as you can see, everything is all written, all transcribed in real time. So as a user, as an owner, you can actually monitor everything. If you paid attention, enough to this, we would say, okay, there's some kind of slight difference when I When you ask for the parking information over here, this response is almost instantaneous, right? So we give the answer immediately back to the user. However, if I said, okay, can you send it over to my phone, there's some slight delay because SeaChat is performing some backend options. We are calling the Twilio API, sending the SMS, and verify that the SMS has been sent, and then we tell the user, I will send the parking information to your phone. Please check it, right? So that's why how I want to explain and how this is done and why there is a slight delay, because there is some external API call over there, send over Twilio, send over the tower, and send it through your carriers. But everything currently just all works, right? So far, okay, that's all good. Well, thank you very much for watching. This actually concludes our tutorials over here. We have done external APIs to display information over chat, and also getting a list of different APIs. Getting a different list of responses over there. We have done the notification via email, notification via SMS, and also sending more information to the user's phone if you decided to deploy the SeaChat AI agent into a telephone line over here. Thank you very much for watching. This has been fun, and hopefully you will enjoy this too as well. Thank you again. I'll see you in the next episode.